Here are some men's hairstyling tips and techniques to help you achieve a stylish and polished look. Determine your hair type. Understanding your hair type is crucial for choosing the right products and styles. Determine if you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, as this will influence the techniques and products you use. Find the right hairstyle. Consider your face shape, hair texture, and personal style when choosing a hairstyle. Look for inspiration from magazines, online resources, or consult with a professional hairstylist for recommendations. Use quality hair products. Invest in high-quality hair products that are suitable for your hair type. These may include shampoo, conditioner, styling products, such as pomade, wax, or gel, and finishing products, such as hairspray or matte paste. Start with clean, well-groomed hair. Proper hair care is essential. Wash your hair regularly with a suitable shampoo and conditioner to keep it clean and healthy. Trim your hair regularly to maintain a neat appearance. Use the right tools. Invest in good quality tools like a comb, brush, or styling tool that suits your hair type and desired style. Different tools can help achieve different looks, so experiment with what works best for you. Apply products wisely. Use styling products sparingly and distribute them evenly through your hair. Start with a small amount and add more if needed. Work the product through your hair with your fingers or a comb for even coverage. Experiment with styling techniques. Explore different techniques to achieve your desired look. For example, you can use a comb to create a sleek, polished style or use your fingers to create a messy, textured look. Don't be afraid to try new things. Consider your face shape. Take your face shape into account when styling your hair. Certain hairstyles can complement or enhance your facial features. Experiment with different cuts and lengths that flatter your face shape. Use heat styling tools with caution. If you use heat styling tools like a blow dryer, straightener, or curling iron, be mindful of the heat setting and use a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. Avoid excessive heat exposure to prevent dryness and breakage. Maintain regular trims. Keep your hair looking its best by scheduling regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks. This will help prevent split ends and maintain the shape of your hairstyle. Embrace natural texture. If you have wavy, curly, or coily hair, embrace your natural texture. Use products specifically designed for curly hair to enhance and define your curls or waves. Practice good hair care habits. In addition to styling, adopt healthy hair care habits. Protect your hair from excessive sun exposure, wear a hat or use UV protection products. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and minimize stress, as these factors can impact the health of your hair. Remember, finding the right hairstyle and mastering the techniques takes time and experimentation. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't turn out perfectly at first. With practice, you'll become more confident in styling your hair and achieving the look you desire.